म्हणटा की ते सोमारा एखादे वर्डिक्ट येतले. आतां हे 2 दीस आसा, फ्रायडे आसा, सॅटर्डे आसा, संडे आसा. इनफॅक्ट 3 दीस आसा. ह्या 3 दिसान सद्या डिबेट सुरू जाल्ली आसा की फोंडा बायपोल जातले काय ना. आनी हीच डिबेट घेवन आमी तुमचे मुखार आयिल्ले आसा आमच्या स्टुडियोंतल्यान. आमचे बरोबर आसा 2 लिगल एक्सपर्ट्स हू आर लॉयर बाय प्रोफेशन. आमचे बरोबर आसा एडवोकेट सिद्धार्थ सामंत, लॉयर बाय प्रोफेशन, एवरीवन नोज, एंड एडवोकेट अमित पालेकर. आमी मातशे पयलीं एक व्हिडिओ घातलो, तातूंत अमित पालेकरांनी सांगलें की हें इलेक्शन कॅन्सल जातलें. सो आय विल स्टार्ट वीथ अमित. प्लीज टेल मी वॉट इज द बेसीस. अजून वर्डिक्ट येवपाचेच आसा, पूण तुज्या व्हिडिओन सद्या बोवाळ चल्ला की कॅन्सल जातलें म्हणून.
न्ही, व्हिडिओन बोवाळ चल्ला म्हणजे हांव कायद्याक जे धरून आसा तेंच उलयलां. हांवें जे कितें सांगलां ते कायद्याच्या जे व्याख्या आसा तातूंत भितर बसता. आनी आय हॅव एक्सप्लेन टू यू वाय इट इज. बेसिकली द जजमेंट इज नॉट पास्ड बाय द ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट. ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट हॅज हर्ड द मॅटर एंड इज रिजर्वड फॉर जजमेंट. बट जो कायदो अस्तित्वांत आसा ताजेर उलयता हांव. ताजे पयलीं आय गिव यू द बॅकग्रावंड ऑफ हाव दीस एंटायर प्रोसेस हॅज स्टार्टेड. नाव तूं पळयत जाल्यार 15 सप्टेंबर 2025 रविबाब एक्सपायर जाले. लॉ सेज दॅट इलेक्शन फॉर अ सीट वीच फॉल्स वेकंट फॉर वॉट एवर रिजन, रिजिग्नेशन, वॉट एवर रिजन्स, सोडले जाल्यार within 6 months election commission is duty bound to hold election for filling up that vacancy under section 151 of Representation of People's Act. Under 151A of Representation of People's Act te म्हणटा की if the term of the newly elected representative is going to be less than 1 year, then such election should not be held, will not be held and must not be held. म्हणजे in some total, not in these words, but what it means is this. Now हो जो विषय आसा बॉम्बे हायकोर्टाच्या बेंचां कडेन आयिल्लो आसा पयलीं, आनी डिव्हिजन बेंचाचें जजमेंट आसा, एंड मोर पर्टिक्युलरली इन द मॅटर ऑफ संदीप सरोडे म्हणून 2019 जजमेंट आसा, वेर आवर हायकोर्ट हॅज हेल्ड that if the election term is going to be less than 1 year, the term of the newly elected
term of the new member
is going to be less than 1 year, जाल्यार हें इलेक्शन करचें न्ही म्हणून. आतां गोंयचें लास्ट इलेक्शन जालें 14 फेब्रुवारी 2022. 10 मार्च 2022 रिजल्ट जालो. 15 मार्च 2022 स्वेरिंग इन जाली. द MLAs took office as they were taken charge, they took charge of their office as MLAs. So जो टर्म आसा गोवा लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्लीचो तो 14 मार्च 2027 सोंपता. आतां 14 मार्च 2027 जर डेट धर आनी हें नोटिफिकेशनाची जर तूं डेट धर, हें नोटिफिकेशन जालें 16 मार्च 2026, वीच इज गोइंग टू बी लेस दॅन 1 year बाय 2 days. आतां 6 म्हयन्याचें इलेक्शन हें जावंक जाय आशिल्लें. सप्टेंबर टू मार्च पर्यंत इलेक्शन कमिशन ओगे कित्याक रावलें हो एक प्रश्न निर्माण जाता. वाय डेट ऑफ 16th March इज चोजन इन्स्टेड ऑफ 14th March. 15 मार्चाक तुमी घेतली प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स, ताजे एक दीस पयलीं तुमी कित्याक केलें ना? सो इज दीस अ गेम प्लॅन ऑफ इलेक्शन कमिशन इन कोल्युजन वीथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी? हो एक प्रश्न निर्माण जाता, कारण हें तांकां सगळ्यांकूच खबर आशिल्लें. सो खंय ना खंय तरी वेन आय लूक एट दीस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट एंड द आर्ग्युमेंट्स वीच हॅड बीन पुट फॉर टुडे, द पेटिशनर्स इन बोथ द पेटिशन्स, जे दोगूय पेटिशनर आसा तांचे असोसिएशन ऑर क्लोजनेस विथ द गव्हर्मेंट and association with certain very close factors of the government makes me strongly believe की हातूर भितर जे इलेक्शनाचो जो घोळ जातलो आनी जो रिजल्ट एक्सपेक्टेड आसा, वीच इज गोइंग टू बी दॅट नोटिफिकेशन वील बी कॉस्ट, वीच मिन्स इलेक्शन जावचें ना, जाल्यार हो एक तर म्हणजे फोंड्याच्या लोकां कडेन खेळ आसा, रितेशा कडेन खेळ आसा कारण तो सरकारा बरोबर आसा, आनी खंय ना खंय तरी एक जे आज ते बहुजनाचे आमी आसा, बहुजनाचे कैवारी जे म्हणटाले पळय, थंय हो खेळ खंय तरी जाला कसो दिसता. कारण ज्या तरेन आफ्टर दळवी हांव तो रुसून बशिल्लो, तो कसो ताका चीफ मिनिस्टर मेळटा आनी ताज्या उपरांत ज्यो गजाली घडटा, जातल्यान तो सडनली म्हणटा आय एम गोइंग टू बी ऑल आउट ऑन दीस. एंड द वे द एंटायर दीस इलेक्शन प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन एज फार एज BJP इज कन्सर्न, हें खंय ना खंय तरी तांकांय
So
खबर
according
आशिल्लें
to
अशें
you,
दिसता
this
म्हाका.
is collusion. I'll ask.
व्हेरी मच बिकॉज
Okay.
इलेक्शन कमिशनाचो
So-
लास्ट टायमचो लेटरूय पळयला ताजेर बीजेपीचो स्टॅम्प आशिल्लो हें आमी पळयलां.
Okay, Siddharth Bab. This is collusion. आणि ताणी जे पर्यंत
म्हणजे यू कांट बिलीव दॅट इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया डीड नॉट नो दिस फॅक्ट.
Okay.
सेक्शन
Yeah,
151
Siddharth
or
Bab.
151A for that matter.
As far as section 151 and 151A of Representation of People's Act, combined reading of it is categorical that two aspects to it. One, that if a member expires, that MLA expires, then elections have to be held within 6 months from the date of the vacancy. Two, if from the date of the vacancy, because I'll read exact, if you want, I'll read the exact wordings. Provided that nothing contained in this section shall apply if A, a remainder term of a member in relation to the vacancy, not somebody who's going to be elected or who's going to be contesting. Tache, whether he should complete 1 year, nobody knows. How does one know?
No, even
One
court
minute.
the interpretation. Yeah. Huh.
It is, first I'll conclude, then I will answer your question. See, the term can only be vis-a-vis the vacancy, not of the person who will be getting elected. What stops him from resigning? What stops from something else? He being disqualified thereafter. So, तो 1 वर्ष उरपाकूच जाय हेची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इलेक्शन कमिशनाची न्ही. द प्रेझेंट इन्कम्बंट मेंबर ताका जर 1 वर्ष जर उरला काय ना तितलेच पळोवपाची इलेक्शन कमिशनराची जबाबदारी. So two aspects to this. One is elections have to be held within 6 months, and ताचो जो टर्म आसा पळय तो 1 वर्सा परस चड आसपाक
From the date of vacancy म्हणटा.
Yes, I'll explain this. I'll make an example
Okay.
here. Let us assume that a member of Legislative Assembly dies on 1st January 2026. Okay? इलेक्शन तुका 30 जुनापर्यंत घेवचें पडलें कित्याक 6 म्हयन्यान घेवपाक जाय तें. ओके, आणि let us assume that the term of the assembly itself was to end on say 5th of January 2020. जाल्यार कितें इलेक्शन कमिशनान कितें 5 म्हयन्यानूच घेवपाची की ताचे 5 दिसान घेवचें पडलें इलेक्शन न्ही. So therefore it can never be interpreted in this fashion that somebody who's elected must get 6 months time. And we'll come to the various aspects later, but according to me, पिटिशनाचो जजमेंटाचो आतां कितें येतलो तर लेट जज, बट माय इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड रिडींग ऑफ और हार्मोनियस रिडींग ऑफ बोथ दीस सेक्शन टेल्स मी दॅट येस, बिकॉज इफ अदरवायज कितें जाता सांग पळय, 6 म्हयने तूं इलेक्शन घेतलो ताच्या उपरांत प्रोक्लेम करतलो आनी मागीर जर ताका जर कांयच टायम हे मेळना, then that this cannot be, because in this case there was a
I will come on that.
There is
law
absolutely sufficient
part will come on that.
Yes.
Before that, he has made certain political observations.
Political observations are neither here nor there. How what in the BJP would
He's
not have-
he's saying he's coming with some dates which are
dates are against anybody. Those who are opposing or those who are finding favors with the petitioner in this case, the dates are against them. Which date is favoring them? What arguments are you canvassing? Which date is convenient to you to make out a point that election should not be held? Absolutely nothing of this nature. जर पहिलीपासूनच सी जर 1 वर्ष जर तांकां मेळत नाशिल्लें, then perhaps you would have been right to say. And there also, election commission in concurrence with central government can decide not to hold the election. But that is provided it is less than 1 year at the time when the vacancy was there.
No, that is an interpretation right now. On that, I think the entire verdict will depend on the interpretation of whether it is a vacancy or when a new member is in.
I will explain. To say that, see, if the framers of law were to say that next incumbent person has to get 1 year in office, they would have said so. तांकां इंग्लीश येना अशें मत आसा
They
कोणाचें
said member, there should be a member award.
वेकन्सी हो शब्द वापरला त्यांनी. वेकन्सी केन्ना रद्द जाल्या? इलेक्शनान डिक्लेअर केला तेन्ना वेकन्सी जायना.
No, I think
मनीस मरता तेन्ना
member,
वेकन्सी
if you can, if you let
आय थिंक थ्री इडियट्स पिक्चर पळयला जाल्यार तातूंत एक भितर एक तो हे आसता तो प्रोफेसर ताका जेन्ना एक्सप्लेन करता तेन्ना ताका तो विचारता भाई कहना क्या चाहते हो. म्हाका दोतोराचें आयकून आज अशी परिस्थिती निर्माण जाली की भाई कहना क्या चाहते हो, तूं म्हज्या टिमीक खेळटा कसो दिसता. वेन आय एम सेयींग दीस इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ दीस पर्टिक्युलर वॉट आय एम सेयींग has been already done in 2019 in the matter of I think the name is some Sandeep Yashwantrao Sarode म्हणटा तो जजमेंट आसा in 2019 which has been considered. The petitioneran जे हांगा कितें म्हणला तो कितें म्हणटा, इलेक्शन इज डिक्लेअर्ड ऑन 16th March 2026. 14 मार्चाक आतां सोंपता म्हणजे लेस दॅन 1 year ताका मेळटा अंडर 151A. क्वेश्चन रिमेन्स इज सप्टेंबरान रवी नाईक बाब जेन्ना एक्सपायर जाले जाल्यार 16 मार्च 2026 डेट कित्याक चूज केली नोटिफिकेशन काडपाक, 13 मार्च 12 मार्च 11 मार्चाक कित्याक केली ना? म्हणजे तुमकां इलेक्शन करपाचें नाशिल्लें because the law says so.
let him answer this. Let us go one.
That is what I am asking and that's my question.
The first आता सांगता कहना क्या चाहते हो पळय ते खरेंच त्या प्रोफेसराक काय कळून नाशिल्लें आणि त्यांना जेन्ना आन्सर दिले पळय त्यांनी त्या प्रोफेसरान करून असो उबो रावलो.
I am like a professor. I want that answer to come.
So तेका जर तेका
I am dumb professor right now.
करून जर रावपाचो आसा जाल्यार त्याची खुशी. I am not interested.
I am a dumb professor here.
दोघांनी पिक्चर वेले कळ्ळे म्हाका.
तू मैमे म्हणटा पळय हातून म्हाका बिलकुलूच इंटरेस्ट ना.
I am really not interested. But anyway, dumb professor, I want to hear him out. What he has to say.
For your confession, I am not responsible. But anyway, what I am trying to say is, these dates and Sandeep Sarote's the case घेतली जाल्यार the case is against him. His point stands nullified, and he contradicts his own case because ते एक वर्सा परस चड टाइम उरता. Now question comes is, why election commission has held one particular date, but that date is not after 6 months. It is the prerogative of it is घराक पेंट मारपाचो न्ही, हाड भैरवा कडल्यान एक लाट आनी फाल्यां मारया म्हणून तशें न्ही. Elections can't be held like that. At your whims and fancies, so many things, roles have to be put in place, vacancy cleared जाता, त्याच्या उपरांत ते ऑफिशियल इंटिमेशन वता, thereafter decision is taken, so many things are there. Elections can't be held at any time you want. चवथीची हॉलिडे असता तेन्ना घेवपाक, दिवाळीच्या टायमार तेन्ना घेवपाक मेळना. देर आर सो मेनी फॅक्टर्स. वाय डू यू थिंक होल्डिंग इलेक्शन्स इज सो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड थिंग? सो मेनी गव्हर्नमेंट मशिनरी हॅज टू बी ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टीचो विचार करून एव्हरीवेअर सगळी आणि इलेक्शन कमिशन जे असता इट माइट बी बायपोल्स बट येट बायपोल्स ऑल्सो
why choose 16 March as a date?
So what is
one day later than when it is supposed to be less than 1 year?
So there is nothing like that.
Question is why 1 day later than 1 year?
So therefore how does it matter?
That means you wanted it to leave it for judicial interpretation.
Okay.
म्हणजे लोक
so one day म्हणटा न्ही तू आता एक
लोक पिशे म्हणजे आता ईस्टर नाशिल्लो, ईस्टर डजंट मॅटर,
how does what is
गुड फ्रायडे डजंट मॅटर. अरे इतले जर पहिली काय मरे ताच्या पहिली.
See, it is not held on election.
ईद 21 सोंपले, ईस्टर मदीं सोंपले, मदल्या वेळार घे. आज हनुमान जयंती 4 दीस पयलीं घेवपाचे.
Okay.
See, it is not held on Easter day. Election is not been held on a Easter day. It is done after. म्हणून हे सगळे दॅट्स वाय न्ही लॉट ऑफ थॉट हॅज बीन गिवन टू दीस. हे सगळे फेस्टिवल काबार जावन घेतला ते इलेक्शन केन्ना घेवपाचे केन्ना ना ते. इलेक्शन्स आर नॉट. आनी आतां हो 16 म्हणटा पळय आनी 16 म्हणटा पळय, that date has got no connection, absolutely no connection
Absolute
with
connection.
the counting, because election तुझे आता 16 म्हणटा पळय तू, एक म्हयनो तुझे केन्नाच्यान तो सप्टेंबरान जो एक्सपायर जाला पळय, ह्या सप्टेंबरा पर्यंत 1 वर्स जाता. सो देरफोर 1 वर्साच्या भायर आसा इलेक्शन न्ही. So therefore he is entitled to go ahead.
तुम्ही दोघी जण जे उलयता पळय भितर, he is taking one thing as an interpretation. He says you have to count from a day when new member is in place.
Where
you are saying when the vacancy is
simple.
Both of you are actually
एक गजाल तुका सिंपल इंग्लिशान सांगता, सिंपल कोंकणीन सांगता. 151A म्हणटा कितें, इलेक्शन जर नवें करूंक जाय वेकंट जाल्ल्याचें जाल्यार ताका कमीच कमी 1 वर्स तरी ऑफिसान मेळपाक जाय.
No, that is
That
not
is
what it
what
says.
is the interpretation of the courts and interpretation of 151, and we'll see it on Monday, whatever the result is. हांव तेच सांगता, मिनिमम एक वर्स जर ताका ऑफिसान मेळना ताज्या जाल्यार इट इज वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. यू शूड सेव दॅट मनी, यू शूड नॉट स्पेंड दॅट मनी. आतां तारीख ऑफ 16th March ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन बिकम्स रेलेवंट देन. ते जर 5 दीस पयलीं केल्ले, 4 दीस पयलीं केल्ले किंवा 2 दीस पयलीं केल्ले जाल्यार द पर्सन हू गेट्स इलेक्टेड or one who is going to get elected will have more than 1 year in the office and the election would be held. Here the entire election process has been put into jeopardy because of pushed off date to March. सप्टेंबरान एक्सपायर जालो, तुमचे कडेन 5 महिने आशिल्ले. SIR got completed in January.
No, but
Speeding केलो मरे SIR.
he's now,
so everything was in place.
His contention is you have to count from a day when Ravi Naik expired.
6 months is the outer limit.
No. 1 year.
No. That's not how it
That
works.
that is what he is saying.
No,
If
sir,
I'm
that is
not-
not.
What categorically it means, plain and simple English. Dialect
It
कोंकणीन
doesn't.
परत वाचता, as you say. I have no problem.
हांव तुका
A
आतां
remainder
anyway
of a
judgment
term
सुमारा
of a
येतलो.
member. That
in
is
the
what
court,
he
the
says.
same judgment, the same
See,
argument was going on. in the-
Exactly.
सराटे जजमेंट आसा पळय, दॅट इज टोटली इन डिफरंट कॉन्टेक्ट. इट डज नॉट से यू हॅव टू काउंट. तो जर काउंट करपाचो म्हणून जर आशिल्लो जाल्यार प्रश्न द्या नाशिल्लो हांगा.
That Sarode judgment, did it stand scrutiny of Supreme
think
Court?
151
I think
how
it
to
is.
go on
that is a different issue altogether. But
Rupesh.
as of today, the plain and simple meaning as it stands today will have to be given unless there is a categorical judgment which says that
Rupesh,
no. But here,
let me read 151A for the knowledge of people.
Okay.
कित्याक ह्या लोकांक खबरय आसना. 151 says election should be held within 6 months. 151A says, notwithstanding anything contained in 147, 149, 150 and 151, a by-election for filling any vacancy referred to any of the said sections shall be held within a period of 6 months from the date of the occurrence of the vacancy. म्हणजे it is incumbent 6 months करूंक जाय, provided that nothing contained in this section shall apply if the remainder of the term of a member in relation to a vacancy is less than 1 year.
correct. Member, the one who expired, not who's going to be elected. He is not a member as yet.
हे इंटरप्रिटेशनूच सांगता तुका
ये
आज
दोनों
समारायतलें.
सध्या interpretation is being argued right now in
Correct,
the High Court.
absolutely.
So the
But-
judgment which have been
So I think
had,
on Monday I will come to know who is
Sarode
right.
aसा, बाकी Sarode has been followed in another case
So
thereafter.
going if we go
and
by-
Kerala High Court and Karnataka High Court has also
if
alleged
another aspect which he says पळय, ताका मिनिमम 1 वर्स मेळपाक जाय. अरे एक कित्याक सगळ्यात ताका रिमाइंडर टर्मूच जो कोण मेंबर येता पळय ताका 5 वर्सां मेळची. पण आतां 365 दिसाच्या बदला 364 दीस मेळ्ळे जाल्यार वॉट यू आर गोइंग टू रूल आउट अ MLA ऑफ दॅट नेचर.
I am not saying so.
1 minute.
Law says so.
One, no, it does not say so. Law does not say so. It's your wishful thinking that the law should say so.
Then
If the
Bombay High Court has
if the
been
law, no,
believing
Bombay High
in
Court
a
has not
wishful
said.
thinking.
By Sarote,
2009
neither Sarote judgment not
is wishful thinking that law should
Is
not
based
say
on
that
law
not say.
he wants election to
I want
happen.
election.
But
We wanted election.
I
BJP
also-
रस्त्यार हाडटाले आशिल्ले आमी
I-
election
we-
जाल्ले
See, I also want election. Why? Not because least
नाका
time-
आशिल्ले BJP
least-
ते.
See, 1 minute. Least I am concerned with who's winning, who's not winning. I am not come here as a spokesperson of BJP. I am not
absolutely.
dependent.
Yes.
But Fondekars deserve a MLA who can voice their grievance. अशा तरेचे petition which is stopping Fondekars from voicing their grievance in the assembly. I feel it is, it is an embargo on the constitutional values and constitutional duties. See, there are फोंडेकारांक वॉयस आसपाक जायना.
Petitioner कोण
whoever it is, what about petitioner कोण? Okay, name them.
Of
What
course,
is there?
it is
I have
public
nothing to.
domain.
I have nothing. I am not here to.
Public
on the-
domain.
Whoever it is.
It
See,
is public
I am-
petition.
See, that's what I am saying.
There is one advocate, Ankita Kamat.
Ankita Kamat.
आणि दुसरा तो हरमलकर.
So correct. So there. See,
So,
I have
it is
nothing
not, it
personal-
is,
I have nothing personal against
Who are
them
these
or
people?
against them.
प्रीतम हरमलकर
See,
आणि
my-
अंकिता कामत. अंकिता कामत कोणाकडे असोसिएटेड आशिल्ले? म्हजेकडे नाशिल्ले.
So,
तुझ्याकडे नाशिल्ले.
So therefore, that's
मागीर
so
there
what-
is some
so
public domain.
What is the point that you are
Okay,
making?
see, this
Anyway,
is to fool
so
people
what
of
I-
Goa, ultimately.
What I am trying to say is whoever wins, whoever loses is immaterial. There, if the elections are held, then there will be an MLA in place, and that MLA will be able to voice the grievances of the people in the assembly. And
Does he
that
mean
I
to say
feel
Ravi
is the
Naik was not
best-
good one? He was not voicing.
But
And his
Dr.
son.
Nan-
Okay, he's
अरे
not
आज
there.
तो
So
क्या
why-
party आज
Amit,
Dr. Nan
Amit,
said,
party has denied करता.
I just wanted
आता
to,
ना नाही तो बाबा.
I just wanted to
Ravi
put
Naik
an
बरो आशिल्लो,
argument
no doubt
that
about
if according to you जशें म्हणटा की बीजेपी कितें जावपा नाका आशिल्लें जाल्यार आज म्हणसर बीजेपी कॅम्पेन कित्याक चलयता
हे फावटी
आज
ना ती.
म्हणसर कॉर्नर मिटींग चलता अख्खे तांचे कॅबिनेट
फटयतलो कसो फटयतलो लोकांक कसो सी बेसिकली द होल कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दीस सनातनचे धर्माचे रक्षक म्हणपी हे आनी खापरेश्वर म्हणूना म्हणलो
no,
मरे.
सध्या
नाही,
फोडणीचे-
सांगता आज रुद्रेश्वर देवळाच्या फुडल्यान मायन सुरू जाता आमची लढाई सुरू आसा कोण चलयता हें ना मायन कोणाचें कोण बंद करूं शकना
फोडणीचेर-
फटिंगपणां तशी आसता कशी म्हणजे हांव हें करता हांव हें अशे तरेन करतलो पण हें अशे तरेन आमी करून घेवया थापटा करता मारता कशें कर रडटा कशें कर आनी हें सोंपलें लोक पिशे जाले लोकांक पिशान काडपाचें काम आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी 10 वर्सां हालीं
फुल
करता
फ्लेज कॅम्पेन चल्ल्या ते तांची
अरे फुल फ्लेज कॅम्पेन काँग्रेसूय चलयता फुल फ्लेज
I
कॅम्पेन
think-
आम आदमी पार्टी आपण घुसल्या
No,
पण
I am just countering
सांगपाची
your
परिस्थिती इज यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड हाव ते एक मरे you know jigsaw puzzle it fits when you actually fit all the puzzles right sometimes it is used in such a manner that one who holds the key it keeps it and that is what is being happening here हांगा जी पजल आसा पळय आज जेन्ना पेटिशनर कोण ती कळ्ळें आज जेन्ना ज्या तरेन थंय जे आर्ग्युमेंट आमी आयकले ते कळ्ळे सगळे म्हणजे ती सभा सगळे कळ्ळे तेन्ना कळटा द बॅकग्रावंड नॉयज इज समथींग दॅट पीपल ऑफ गोवा हॅव नॉट हर्ड but background noise behind those petitions behind the way things have been handled behind the way this process has been scuttled as a lawyer and a politician I told you I told somebody today tom paltu politician kaso uleta I म्हणले quasi politician and I am a lawyer because I like quasi judicial असता पळय तसो I know law I understand law I can interpret law and I can hear and understand what are the voices behind those sitting in the gallery
Okay,
that is it.
your reaction to his statement
Absolutely.
Not like a BJP spokesperson, now as a lawyer.
See, एक गोष्ट हांव तुका सांगूंक शकता 1991 हांवें म्हजी आयडियोलॉजी फिक्स केल्या आनी त्या आयडियोलॉजी पासून आज पर्यंत हांव तरी टर्न मारूं ना खंय कोणी टर्न मारल्यात ताचे बद्दल हांव चड उलोवपाचो ना केन्ना हांव ना पळय कोणी मारला ते तूं पळय हांवें 1991 92 ब्रिंग वन पर्सन हू विल से 91 तूं एक वेगळें उलयतालो आज तूं वेगळें उलयता ब्रिंग वन हाज्या फुडें तुका सांगता मरा पर्यंत म्हजी आयडियोलॉजी सेम उरतली दॅट आय वील गिव यू see my identity you can say presently that there is to fit my ideology there is only one there is to be one more Shiva Sena but they how they have broken away and what they are doing but for now there is only one party that aligns to my ideology that is BJP but I am not an active member of a BJP or I don't hold post person neither I am a spokesperson for BJP I cannot speak for them
but as a lawyer you tell me
but as a lawyer yes as a lawyer I can tell you that even politically also the way things have unfolded how is BJP connected with all these things आता कोण वन म्हणटा अमक्याचें नांव पळय तमक्याचें नांव पळय आय डू नॉट नो इन वॉट कॉन्टेक्स्ट एंड वॉट कनेक्ट तरी सांगचें लेट हिम एक्सप्लेन वॉट ही वॉन्ट्स टू से व्हाय इन्युएंडोज आर रिक्वायर्ड make categorical allegations.
Can you prejudice something just because I don't think that petitioner can be prejudiced in this way की बाबा ताका कोणाकडे पयली काम करी ताजे लिंक हांगा आसा
I don't know I have nothing
what I am trying to tell you
I am trying to
the way the matters are getting conducted the problem is that the matters are before the court is competent to decide on the matters question remains is did election commission know or not from their past experiences where they are parties to such petition ही डेट ह्या तारखेर गेले जाल्यार इलेक्शन जावचें ना म्हणून why risk that one part of it second part of it is why if it was honestly to be held जाल्यार ती डेट 5 दिसूच पयलीं कित्याक करूं ना 5 दीस पयलीं म्हणजे इलेक्शन तूं पयलीं केला तर you had time from September till March why choose 16th March one day later date
maybe the interpretation is what
interpretation there to म्हणटा ideology this is what I am trying to tell you people change ideology those who stick by ideologies in spite of seeing wrong and calling it right Thank
I-
God bless them.
What
But question, no,
I-
what I'm saying, yeah, you should follow, understand wrong and right, not ideologies. Ideologies can change over a period of time because of the fact that you don't believe what is happening is correct, and that is what I'm saying. Time and again, I have shown how BJP is indulged into corruption. I have time and again shows how fake Hindutva, fake Sanatan, whatever that they talk about is how that is fake, how people are suffering today. Now, do you want to say that somebody should continue with this ideology and say, म्हजी ideology थंय आसा, म्हजें सगळें affiliation थंय आसा, हांव तांकांच जोडून रावतलो, म्हाकाय मारल्यार जाता. लोक मारता ते मरू जाय, म्हाका कितें आसा, हांव म्हणना न्ही, पूण हांवूय मेल्यार जाता, पूण हांव थंयच रावतलो. मुबारक हो, bless you.
This was
But-
for you.
No, I am not talking about him. आमचं जनरली ताणे जनरल म्हणले ते. ताणे general
I have
म्हणले.
not made any.
Both of you are
personal-
talking in general.
कशा आसा?
I thought both of you are talking to each
जनरल
other.
कमेंट्स रे, म्हजो मित्र मरतो आंबोर. But-
Last time मित्र.
हे मित्र हो म्हाका बरें खूबदां खूबदां आयकूंक येता.
Okay, so
But anyway, they are friends anyway.
before we wind up the discussion, okay, let's now reset the entire thing, and I want to ask you a question as a law person who's a legal professional. हे तुमचे इंटरप्रिटेशन आसा पळय, डू यू थिंक इट विल स्टँड द स्क्रुटिनी ऑफ द कोर्ट when the verdict will be pronounced on Monday?
Wait for Monday.
And if that happens, then elections we are going to be conducted.
Yes, it has to be held. Election Commission is duty bound to held unless it is stopped by a competent court. They are bound to be held.
No, but your interpretation will be
According to me,
considered.
there is absolutely nothing in the sanctions or under interpretation that can come in the way of holding these elections. आता एकूच प्रश्न तो विचारतलो, 4 दीस तुका कळनाशिल्ले, 5 दीस पयले अमक्या 16 तारखेकूच कित्याक घेतले, 15 तारखेकूच. See the if it was to be held 5 days before, suppose a election, do you know when the elections would have to be held? Tomorrow. मे काउंट कर.
Good Friday, sir.
10 दीस पयलीं करपाचें.
दॅट्स वॉट न्ही, देन यू विल से 11 दीस पयलीं करपाचें. मागीर आनी खंयचे
अरे
फाटल्या
तुका-
विकांनी 2-3 हॉलिडे आशिल्ले.
तुका खबर आसा,
ह्याच दिसा
हिंदूय
कित्याक
केन्ना
केलो
आसा
ना, ह्याच
खबर
दिसा
आसा.
कित्याक केल्लो
तुका हनुमान जयंती खबर आसा, तुका इस्टरी खबर आसा. ते कॅलेंडर फाटल्या वर्सा आयला.
आणि दुसरी गोष्ट लक्षात धर, ह्या दिसांनी सदांच ह्या एक्झामीच्या दिसा इट इज नॉट फिजिबल.
एक्झामी हरशी म्हणून सोपना. त्यो सोपना फुडल्या विकान सोपना थोड्यांच्यो.
It's not feasible to hold elections in March. That's why elections are always held in April and May.
Okay, so
No
as
elections
per
are held
your
in March.
interpretation, your interpretation of your law, yes, जातले election because
I am confident it will happen. I am confident.
My
And your interpretation, the election will be
based on
cancelled.
precedents, this election cannot go on. It is for the courts to decide. Of course, the very
Finally,
learned bench has heard this, and I think results will be out very soon. Maybe next week. There is no date fixed, but Monday, Tuesday it should come out. It's a prerogative of the
so
judges.
verdict is reserved and Monday mostly because फाल्यां सुटी आसा. Saturday courts are open.
No, but judges function 24 hours.
So is there a possibility कि Saturday be?
No, Saturday, this is non-working Saturday, so Monday पर्यंत येतले. But judges
Monday.
function, there is, judges are 24/7 working for giving justice.
Okay, so Monday. Thank you very much. Thank you both of you. Okay, so इलेक्शन जातले काय ना जातले हें एक्चुअली मंडे कळटलें आनी आयचें डिस्कशन वॉज फॉर ऑल द पीपल जे आतां 2-3 दीस बसून डिबेट करतले तांच्या खातीर. दीज आर 2 व्यू पॉयंट्स. इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ लॉ. कायदो म्हणटा की केन्नाच्यान 1 वर्स धरप हाजेर सद्या चलिल्लें आसा. जे दिसा रवी बाब एक्सपायर जाले तेन्नाच्यान धरप काय जे दिसा इलेक्शन एनावन्स जावन जे दिसा न्यू मेंबर कम्स इन टू दॅट इज इन मे तेन्नाच्यान धरप. ह्या दोनूय गजालींचे इंटरप्रिटेशनाचेर वर्डिक्ट येवपाचें आसा. तुमी पळयतात हब गजाली ऑन युअर फेवरेट चॅनल गोवा न्यूज अप. कीप वॉचिंग अस.